Yes, yes. Do I have crumbs on my face? I just yammed on that toast. Hey guys, this is Sarah and I'm a food editor here at the Feed Feed, and today I'm gonna show you how to make passion fruit margaritas. Hi! There's gonna be a spicy tahini rim, which I'm very excited about. We'll get to that soon. But in the meantime, let's start a blending, shall we? Okay, we're gonna start by adding passion fruit puree to our blender. Shout out Drake. And then some frozen mango, some triple sec. Great question, it's an orange liqueur. Okay, now we're gonna add some agave, tequila. And I'm just gonna blend this up, and then we're gonna add some ice. Okay, so this is a little bit too liquidy for my preference at this point, so I'm just gonna add some ice now to thicken it on up and bring it to that nice frozen consistency that I'm looking for. That's 2 cups of ice. I was gonna say frozen ice. Silly me. These margaritas are actually inspired by my dad. My dad is a man that loves tequila, and whenever I go home, he makes mango margaritas, and they're so delicious, and I'm just like, oh, Dad, love you. But these are passion fruit, so they're gonna be even better. Sorry, Dad. How close. So now what I would argue is maybe the most important part of this video. If you take away anything from this video, it's that you should be adding a tahini rim to your margaritas. Friends do not let friends drink margaritas with a sugar rim. That is literally so vile, and shame on you if that's what you're doing. It has to be salt or tahini, okay? I'm not gonna yuck your young, but ew. So what I'm doing is I'm just adding some fresh lime. I cut a little like slit in the lime here, so it's nice and easy to just get some around the rim. And then I'm gonna add tahini. Again, this is very important. If you don't have tahini, use salt, just don't use sugar, okay? You feel me? You feel me, Haley? Can we just mic up Jake for my future IGTVs?
Salty, spicy, tangy.
Ooh, this is nice. This is the shot. This is the shot. Are you getting this audio? Look at the texture of this. This is how a frozen cocktail should be. All right, Rachel Gibbons, you are the person that volunteered to drink with me before noon. I knew I could count on her. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Cheers.
Cheers. So good. The salt's amazing.
Tahini. Make it, tag me, tag the feed, and enjoy your margaritas. See you next time.